In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your WordPress user ID. This is a handy piece of information that can be quite useful, whether you're troubleshooting an issue, customizing your site, or integrating other features or platforms. So, let's dive right in and walk you through the steps to find your WordPress user ID quickly and easily. First, you'll want to navigate over to your WordPress dashboard. The dashboard is essentially the control room for your site, where you can make all sorts of customizations and install different elements. Once you're there, the next step is to look on the left-hand side of the interface, where you'll see a variety of menus. Locate the Plugins option, which is your gateway to adding new functionalities to your WordPress site. Clicking on Plugins will take you to the Plugins page, where you can add new plugins to extend what WordPress can do. This is where you'll be able to search for a plugin that will help us with our task today. In the search box on the upper right corner of this page, type in Reveal IDs. This plugin is exactly what we need. It's a simple tool that does exactly what it says on the tin. It reveals the ID numbers assigned to all items in the WordPress dashboard, including users. Once you find the Reveal IDs plugin, you'll notice a button labeled Install Now. Go ahead and click that button to initiate the installation process. Installing a plugin is usually pretty quick and straightforward. After clicking Install Now, give it a moment to do its thing. You'll see the button change to Activate, and that's your cue to click it. Activating the plugin completes the installation process and gets it running. With the Reveal IDs plugin activated, we're almost there. Now, head over to the Users section on your WordPress dashboard, which you can find on the left-hand menu. Click on Users, and you'll be taken to a page that lists all users associated with your WordPress site. It's on this page, thanks to the work of our newly installed plugin, that you'll be able to see the unique ID number next to each user's name. This is the information we set out to find. Getting your WordPress user ID is a simple process, but knowing how to use these tools can save a lot of time and confusion down the road, especially if you're looking to make advanced customizations or integrate specific software. If you ever need to reference a user by their ID in custom scripts or plugins, you'll now be able to do that with ease. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any other WordPress questions or video topics you'd like us to cover, be sure to leave a comment below or check out our other guides for more insights.